Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. What is the meaning of guidance? Imam Ragib al-Asfahani rahimahullah has mentioned in his book Mufradat al-Quran that guidance signifies leading someone towards his destination gently and kindly, while guidance in the real sense issues forth from Allah alone, and it has 3 degrees. First degree of guidance is general and cover everything that exists. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَإِن مِّن شَيْءٍ إِلَّا يُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِهِ. There is not a thing except that it exalts Allah by His praise. وَلَكِنْ لَا تَفْقَهُونَ تَسْبِيحَهُمْ. But you do not understand their way of exalting. The second degree of guidance is not a general but particular. It is limited to those creatures which are considered to be rational, and that is man and jinns. This kind of guidance comes to every man through prophets and revealed book. Some accept this guidance and become believers, some reject and become disbelievers. The third degree of guidance is still more particular, being special to true believers, mu'mineen and muttaqeen. This third kind of guidance descends directly to individual from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it's called tawfiq. That's to say, Allah's grace provides a man eternal and external means and circumstances which should make it easy and even pleasant for him to accept and act upon the guidance of the Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. Those who strive for us, لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا, we will surely guide them to our ways. And the scope of the third degree of guidance is limitless, and its levels are uncountable. Nevertheless, the Quranic prayer, Ihdinas siratal mustaqim, guide us to the straight path, is most comprehensive and certainly one of the most important prayers taught to man. No member of the human family can claim not to need it. No success, no prosperity can really come without being on the straight path. Particularly so for a man lost in the anxieties of mortal life. Their prayer for the straight path is an elixir. But people do not understand. Sadaqallahul Azim.